Hey guys, welcome to our another video. This is your Preet. In this video, we will learn how to create a free WordPress blog. You don't need to pay anything. You want to start blogging, you want to create beautiful professional blog without paying anything to the hosting providers. I will go through step by step how you can get free WordPress blog. Okay, so let's get start the video. First of all, we have to go to this website patreon.io. Okay, this website I have given link in description, or you can visit, you can direct to this website, and we will click on get started. After click get started, we need account with this website, so let's create the account first. Okay, you have to enter your email address, your password, everything. Make sure your password, you create strong password. Okay, after password you have to select your country. After country, you have to agree with the term and conditions and click sign up. Now we have created the account successfully with Patreon website. Okay, so now the submission could not be proceeded because this form expired due to ad blocker setting. Okay, you may face this problem, but you have to go through. You can either create with the Google, you can create account with Google, that's more simple. So let me go ahead with the Gmail. So it will automatic create your account with that platform. You don't need to fill up anything. Okay, so here we got account. Some last detail to finish your registration. You have to provide your first name, last name, and select your country. Okay, are you agency? No, you are not agency. You have to click agree. Okay, click continue. So we have successfully got this account. Now this is the time to create free professional WordPress. A lot of companies provide free hosting, free WordPress, but they have a limit for the readers, for the viewers, how many viewers can visit your website. There is a limit of bandwidth, limit of RAM, which slow down your website. But I have found this good website which really help you to create a free website, free blog website. Okay, so now we have to click here, create a new site. Click create new site. After click create new site, we have to choose WordPress here. After choose WordPress, it takes some time, depends on your signal, your internet connection. Now here we have to choose our website URL name. Okay, example, let me give you some example here. Let me enter my YouTube channel name, Preet. I have choose the name here. Choose the reason for your site, means which reason you want to host your website. Okay, after enter your name, you have to choose the reason for your website. Example, United States, where which reason you want to host your website. Like if you are targeting United States audience, you have to, I will prefer you have to select United States. If your audience, if your website visitor most from Canada, Australia, or other European, you can choose those, but I will recommend go with United States and click continue. After click continue, we have to follow some more steps. It takes some time to create your website. You can see your dashboard is now start loading, and your WordPress will be ready within some minutes. You have to wait. Do not refresh your page. If you refresh your page, your WordPress might be broken. You have to wait until we complete the process of deploying CMS. This is the process. It will install the WordPress on the system. These are some basic setting. Everyone can do it. If even you are beginner and you don't know, you don't want to pay for hosting, this website is perfect for one WordPress installation for the blog. If you want to run blog on WordPress but you have no option, you have to purchase the hosting, you can choose this platform to in order to create free WordPress. But if you have a little amount to spend to create a professional blogging website, I will recommend to choose the Bluehost. You can get link in the description, and if you click that link you will get great discount with that link. Okay, and because you need performance, you need good RAM, you need unlimited bandwidth, which you will get in only $2. You will get your WordPress, your hosting, which is a really affordable and budget friendly. So let's wait till the process will be completed. Okay, so we have complete the process and visit your Patreon site dashboard. Now we will visit our dashboard of WordPress panel, where we will later on we will log in to our WordPress. Our dashboard is will be ready in seconds. So here we have our dashboard now. Now we have to scroll down and check for all the settings. If you want to direct visit your WordPress, you have to click this option Site Admin. With Site Admin, it will bring you to WordPress setup page. You have to choose English, United States, click Continue. Here you have to provide your blog, your website details, the name of the website. You can choose any good name for your blogging website. Username, you can choose your username. Make sure you remember your username. Later on we will need in order to log in our WordPress. Or you can do one thing, copy your username and open the notepad somewhere. You can save your username and password, so later on we have no issue with forget password or anything. Okay, let me copy also the password and let me paste my password here as well. Okay, now your email address, you have to provide your email address. gmail.com. You can provide any email address here. Discourage search engine from indexing. Do not press this. If you press this, Google will not index your website. Okay, do not click this. Click on install WordPress. This is the time WordPress will start installing on our server, on Patreon server. Here you have to click login. Now you remember we have chosen username and password, we just copy, click remember me, so you don't need to again and again click provide your username and password. You can click on remember me and login. So here we go, we have successfully got our WordPress free of cost. This is free of cost. Okay, so now this is the time to choose the theme for our blog. You can choose a lot of theme available here. We will click add new. We can go with any theme. If you want to use as blogging, you can choose Astra. This is good and a good theme for the bloggers, and it has a lot of other options as well. If you want to choose the professional theme, if you want to make your blog more professional, you can watch my other video, link in description. There are videos with Zana theme, newspaper blogging theme. A lot of video are there. You can watch my other video, how to customize, how to install the theme and start customizing. Okay, in this video my aim to provide to teach you how to get free of cost WordPress for your blog. You don't need to pay anything for it. Okay, as we have already installed the theme, now we will click Astra. You will get Astra option here and click dashboard. We will It will bring us here this option. Now we will click starter templates, where we choose the templates. You can install starter templates. It activate, just to it will auto refresh. Okay, here build your website. Now you don't need to do anything. Choose Elementor. This is very simple, guys, and this video, it will be very helpful for you. Here is the option what type of website you want to make. You want to make blog, choose blog. Or influencer, what type of blog you want to create, food blog, travel blog, news site. Choose the option and later on choose your theme. After choose your theme, it will ask you to upload the logo first. Just to provide them logo. If you do not have logo yet, you can make your logo with Canva. This is just for example. We have upload our logo is already there here. Okay, click continue, and now you can choose the colors, fonts, click continue. This is very simple, guys, and you can provide your first name, last name, and I am beginner, website myself, your work email, and click submit and build my website. It will take maximum 1 to 2 minutes. Your website will be ready. You don't need to do anything, right? You don't need to hire the developer, and this is very beginner friendly. I teach you very beginner friendly way. So I hope you like my video. In next video I will bring more content regarding WordPress, regarding other themes, how to make professional website without paying anything to developer, how to customize it, how to what type of plugin you need to install in order to build performance and SEO for your website. So you can see here our website is ready. Let's check out website. Click view my website. Boom, our website is ready on WordPress. This is our blog. Now enjoy your blogging and start adding the post in your WordPress. For the post, you have to go to post and add new post. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Next video I will bring great nice content again for you. Thank you so much.